Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to hide ID on Instagram. To hide your ID on Instagram, start by opening the Instagram app. Once you are on your account, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three lines in the top right corner, navigate to settings and privacy, scroll down and select account privacy. Turn on all the options to make your account private. Switch your account to private by tapping the option. Close the Instagram app and open a web browser. Access Instagram in the web browser. Click on your profile in the bottom right corner. Choose Edit Profile. Scroll down to find the option to show your account on the Suggestions profile. To hide your account, uncheck this option and submit the changes. Your account will be hidden, but if you log in through your Instagram app, everything will appear as normal. And that's it. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions down below.